Hello and welcome to Khan's Tech Lab. As you know, we are working on Java Basics series and we have already covered a few sessions. In this session, we will learn about linear search and how to perform linear search in Java. So linear search is the simplest way of searching algorithm. Consider we have an array, as you can see here on the left side. This is an array of numbers and there are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 values in this array or 5 elements in the array. And we have been given with a key which is equals to 1. If we are asked to search for a key, for example, key equals to 1 here in this array, using the linear search, the technique is very simple. All we need to do is compare the value of the key with each and every element of the array until we find that key. As you see here, the key is 1 and we will first compare the key with the value of the first index. The first index of the array, the value is 2, which is not equal to key. So we will move to the second iteration and we will go to the second index and we will search if that value is equals to 2 or not. As you can see here clearly, key is 1, but here the value is 4. So it is not matching. Then we will go to the third iteration and the third index, and even if we compare this value, it is not equal to the key. The key is 1. When we do the fourth iteration, we are finding here the key which is 1 and now it matches, then we return from the searching algorithm. So let us understand this using Java. As usual, we will create a Java class. Let me call this as linear search and let me create a main method. And now let us declare and initialize an array. Now I will add values the same way we saw in the images. Now we need a key to search. The key is 1. As you know, we are going to search the key within the array. We need to perform a iteration, and for that we need for loop or any loop. As we already discussed, the indexes will start from 0 and it should not reach the array of the length of the array. And we will compare the key with the element of the array residing at the index. If it matches, we will print key found at index I and then return. So we also have to write a condition or a statement, print statement, to display to the user if the key doesn't match. For that, we will take a flag, or I can call it key matched or key found equals to false. Then If it matches, I will make the flag as true. So if it doesn't match, we will just simply say it is not matching. So the boolean is, the key found is false. So we will just write one statement to say whether true or false. Now let me run this program. As you can see, key has been found at index 3. Suppose if I give an, a number, a key, which is not present in the list, the array. So if I run it, it will say key found is false. So key does not found. How it is working internally? Let me walk you through the debugger. So we are declaring an array and we are declaring a key. Now the key 10 is not present in this list or array. So the first iteration I is equals to 0, array of I is 2. So key is 10, 10 is not equal to 2. The condition failed. Similarly, 4 not equal to 10. Similarly, 0 not equal to 10. Finally, it came out without making the boolean false and without printing this statement. And finally, it says key found is false. What if I do only 1 here? Now let me run it again using the debugger. As you can see, we are declaring the array and the key, then a boolean. Now the first attempt, key is 1, but array of I, which is 2. 1 is not equal to 2. Then second iteration, 1 is not equal to 4. Then third iteration, 1 is not equal to 0. But fourth iteration, 1 is equals to 1. It went inside the if condition, then it printed, then return. And also key found is true. Finally, it has been printed that the key has been found. So this is the way we can do linear search. This is the simplest form of search. There are so many other ways we will discuss in the upcoming sessions. Please stay tuned for the upcoming sessions and also hit the like button for the video. And if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, please do subscribe and share the videos. If you have any queries, please do comment in the comment section. Thank you.